Okay, dear students, today we are going to talk about a research proposal. In this lecture, we will be talking about what is a research proposal. So, to start from the basic definition of the research proposal, a research proposal is simply a structured, formal document that explains what you plan to research, your research topic, why it's worth researching, your justification, and how you plan to investigate your practical approach. So, a research proposal tells the what, why, and how of a research. Okay, the purpose of the research proposal is job is to speak is to convince your research supervisor, committee, or your university that your research is suitable for the requirements of the degree program and manageable. The main purpose of the research proposal is to convince the supervisor and the research committee that your research is valid and it is manageable and you can conduct your research. The what of a research of a proposal, what goes into a research proposal? A good dissertation or thesis proposal needs to cover the what, the why, and the how of the research. So a good proposal of a research of a thesis or a dissertation that contains the what of a research, the why of a research, and the how of a research. The what of a research. Your research topic. What means the research topic? Your proposal needs to clearly articulate your research topic. This needs to be specific and unambiguous. Your research topic should make it clear exactly what you plan to research and in what context. Your topic must be quite clear to the audiences and to the readers and to the checker, and he can easily understand your topic. Why? Your justification. When you choose a topic, the why means why you have chosen this topic. Okay? It is not good enough to simply propose a research topic. You need to justify why your topic is original. In the why of a research, you will prove it why your topic is valid, why it is original. In other words, what makes it unique? Why your topic is unique, what gap in the current literature does it fill, whether your research is going to fill a gap in the existing literature or now it is just simply a topic. A research will always solve a problem. Okay, a research will always solve a problem. It will always fill a gap in the existing literature. So make sure whether your research will fill the gap in the already existing literature, the already existed research or not. If it is simply a rehash of the existing research, it's probably not going to get approval. It needs to be fresh. But originality alone is not enough. Once you have ticked that box, you also need to justify why your proposed topic is important. What is the importance of the study? You have to prove that what is the importance of your research and the study. In other words, what value will it add to the world if you manage to find answer to your research question? How it will help the world, your research. So when you are crafting your research proposal, remember that it is not enough for a topic to simply be unique. It needs to be useful and value creating, and you to convey the value in your research proposal. Okay? After the why, the how of a research. The how of a research means the methodology which is followed by the researcher while conducting his research. It's all good and well to have a great topic that is original and important, but you are not going to convince anyone to approve it without discussing the practicalities. In other words, how will you undertake your research? How you will conduct your research? Is your research design appropriate for your topic? Is your plan manageable given your constrained time, money, expertise? While it's generally not expected that you will have a fully fleshed out research strategy at the proposal stage, you will need to provide a high level view of your research methodology and some key design decision that is mentioned in the research methodology chapter. Will you take a qualitative or quantitative approach? Your methodology tells stage whether you are going for the qualitative or the quantitative approach. How will you collect your data? What is the data collection procedure of your research? Whether you are going for the interviews, whether you go for the surveys, whether you go for the questionnaire, whether you go for the observation, whether you go for the recording, these are different tools used for data collection. How will you analyze your data? Statistical analysis, qualitative data analysis, and quantitative data analysis. We have different types of analysis. For statistical data, we have different methods. For qualitative, we have different, and for quantitative, we have different. So your research methodology shall clearly mention which approach, which step you are going to take. So make sure you give some thought to the practicalities of your research and have at least basic understanding of research methodologies before you start writing up your proposal. Your research proposal must be practical and manageable. It should not be imaginary. As you write up your research proposal, remember that all important core purpose is to convince your supervisor and to convince the research committee. Your research proposal needs to sell your research idea in terms of stability and viability. So focus on crafting a convincing narrative and you will have won half the battle. A good research means your half work is done in advance. Like if you have a very good proposal that is going to be accepted from the research committee as well as from your supervisor, it means that half of the work has been done. Thank you for watching.